Hey there, fashion enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable fashion, where style meets sustainability. Join us as we explore how to build a sustainable wardrobe that reflects your unique personality. All right, first things first. Let's break down what sustainable fashion is all about. It's all about minimizing the environmental and social impact of clothing production and consumption. Fast fashion has taken a toll on our planet and people, from excessive waste to exploitive labor practices. Sustainable fashion focuses on ethical sourcing, eco-friendly materials, fair labor practices, and promoting a circular economy, which is an economic system based on the reuse and regeneration of materials or products, especially as a means of continuing production in a sustainable or environmentally friendly way. Now look, we all love a good outfit, but the fashion industry's impact on the planet and its people is undeniable. It's impossible to find a brand that is 100% sustainable, as there are so many aspects to consider. However, many brands are genuinely trying to make a difference through research and development, ethical sourcing of materials, and using existing materials. That being said, it's also time for us to shift towards more mindful consumption. So let's talk about this and how you can build a sustainable wardrobe without sacrificing style. The best way to start is to think more about the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Here are some actionable tips. Invest in quality pieces over quantity. Choose timeless, high-quality garments that will last for years to come, rather than buying cheap, disposable fashion. You could also opt for clothing made from sustainable materials like organic cotton, linen, hemp, or recycled fabrics. They carry a higher price tag, sure, but consider them an investment. Get creative with styling. No, we aren't telling you to purchase a whole new wardrobe. Challenge yourself to find new ways to style your existing pieces. Don't be afraid to pair vintage finds with modern staples. It adds character to your wardrobe while reducing your carbon footprint. You'll be surprised at the endless possibilities right in your closet. Shop secondhand. Thrifting is not only budget-friendly, but also supports local communities, and giving new life to old clothes reduces textile waste. Embrace slow fashion and minimalism. Cherish each piece you own and the story behind it. Curate a capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces that mix and match effortlessly, reducing the need for excess consumption. A capsule wardrobe is a limited selection of interchangeable clothing pieces that lowers the need for new items. Okay, so now that we've covered some essential strategies for building a sustainable wardrobe, let's delve into some exciting upcycling DIY projects to further enhance your eco-friendly fashion journey through circular economy. One DIY idea is to transform a pair of worn-out jeans into stylish denim shorts. Simply grab a pair of scissors and cut the jeans to your desired length. Another fun project is tie-dyeing a plain t-shirt to add a pop of color to your wardrobe. You can experiment with different dyeing techniques like spiral, crumple, or stripe patterns. All you need is a white shirt, some fabric dye, and a splash of creativity. The beauty of DIY projects is that you can tailor them to your unique style and preferences. Whether you're adding embroidery or embellishments, let your creativity shine. But think about the materials you're using. Try not to use single-use plastics such as glitter or sequins while improving your garments. So, grab those old clothes, gathering dust in your closet, and unleash your inner DIY guru. The possibilities are endless, and the results are sure to be one of a kind. For us, embracing sustainable fashion isn't just about following trends. It's about aligning our values with our fashion choices. Every purchase we make is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in and hold manufacturers accountable. By supporting local, ethical, and sustainable practices, we can drive positive change. And it's not just about looking good, it's also about feeling good. What are your thoughts on sustainable fashion? How do you incorporate ethical consumerism into your lifestyle? Hey, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And there you have it, fashion-forward friends. We've covered the essentials of sustainable fashion, shared tips for building a wardrobe with purpose, dabbled in some DIY, upcycling magic, and had a meaningful conversation about our role as conscious consumers. If you found this video helpful or even inspiring, and if you're ready to elevate your style sustainably, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more sustainable fashion content, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update. Join the conversation. Together, let's make fashion a force for good. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay stylish and sustainable. Bye-bye for now.